This video introduces the new data preparation experience in Analytics Builder, showing you how to navigate the interface and manage data preparation workflows. This helps you understand how your data flows from input to output and how to efficiently apply and manage transformations. The dataset name in the top left corner. You can rename your dataset at any time to better reflect your data. The data preparation experience is organized into three main areas. View the workflow canvas in the center, which visually represents your data preparation steps from input to final output. When you open a dataset, it appears as an input step on the workflow canvas. Use the Steps pane on the left to view all available transformation steps. Review your data in the Preview pane at the bottom, which shows a sample of your data and updates as you apply changes. It makes it easier to understand your data and validate changes as you apply transformations. You can add a new step to your workflow in multiple ways. Select Add next to a transformation in the Steps pane, or select the plus icon directly on the workflow canvas. Once a step is added, configure it using the Configure pane, which appears below the workflow. As you make changes, the results are immediately reflected in the Preview pane. Each step includes a context menu for step management. Open the Steps context menu to rename or delete the step. The connector links two steps with an arrow indicating the workflow direction. To remove a connector, select it and press Delete. If needed, you can insert a new step between two existing ones and reconnect them by dragging your mouse between them. You can zoom in and out of the workflow by scrolling or by using the zoom controls in the bottom right corner. The Fit View button automatically adjusts the zoom level to display all steps in the workflow. You can switch back to the legacy data preparation experience before saving and publishing your dataset. To do so, click Switch back to Legacy Experience in the top right corner. However, if you add steps in the new experience and then switch to Legacy, those steps will not be preserved and must be recreated in the Legacy interface. Once the dataset is saved, this option becomes unavailable. Next to the Save and Publish button, you can choose the dataset's query mode by selecting either Spice or Direct Query. Note, if your workflow includes aggregate, pivot, or unpivot steps, the dataset can only be saved using Spice. Now you know how to navigate the interface of the new data preparation experience and manage data preparation workflows. Thanks for watching.